Hello guys, it's here Trader Talk guys. I'm gonna be showing guys how to trade liquidity grab. Yeah, a very simple strategy which you can trade on the London Open guys. This one you can trade for the currencies. This one is specifically for the currencies. It works based on the currencies because gold market always move on trading market guys. I think guys, so this one is specifically for currencies. Either you're trading USD JPY, either you're trading GBPUSD, either you're trading New Zealand USD, either you are trading any pound pairs or any euro pairs, guys. So let's have an example. So to me, you are gonna be coming to the market to trade at around 10 to 11 a.m. I think, guys, you're gonna be coming to the market to trade at 10, 11 a.m. 10, 11, maybe you can say 11 a.m. because the London market opens in East African time zone, my country here, at 11 a.m. East African time zone. So let's have example, because now we have the Asian market is about to close. Asian market is about to close. We're going for London. So of course, before London opens, we normally have the high and the low of Asia. Is that true, guys? And in this high of Asia here, guys, we normally have stop losses of Asian traders who are anticipating the market to sell. So normally they will set your stop loss. They will set their stop loss around this region. Then we have the buy traders who are anticipating market to buy. The Asian traders, they will set their stop losses around this region. So before London market opens, the market will move one of the two ways. The market will move either back or down. So the banks are going to be taking the liquidity here. Are you seeing, guys? So let's say London opens. The green line is the London Open. So London opens here like this. So 80 to 90% of the time, they might go and take liquidity on this high or this high. And mostly they will see where they have not set stop losses. They're going to flip that liquidity so that they can get volume to move. I think. So if they see, for example, we have a lot of volume of traders here on the low side, then they are going to will come down, sweep liquidity. Sometimes they can create a W pattern like this, then it goes up. So same thing applies to sell trade also, like this, like this. This is the Asian. So London opens here. So the market will spike up, create M pattern. So the best place to sell is this region. Then boom, on a downtrend. You can take it 1 to 2 pips. The best place to sell is around this region. To buy is around this region. I see. So here you buy. Here you sell. So when liquidity is taken on the low side, you buy. When the liquidity is taken on the upside, you trade the opposite. So to me, you are trading the opposite of breakout. So if the breakout is happening here, you are trading the opposite of breakout. Now you are thinking like a professional trader. You are thinking like a professional trader, guys. Okay, let me show on the chart. So, okay, let me show you on the chart. Let me show in the chart. Do you know how to set TradingView? Maybe I'm gonna be making another class for TradingView, guys. I'm gonna be making another class for maybe TradingView. So as you can see, maybe you can start from this point. So here, maybe you start at this point. So the first thing before London market opens, you need to mark the high of Asia and the low of Asia. That is rule number 1. Rule number 1 is you need to set session. So the blue part here is Asia market. The yellow part is the London market. The brown part is the New York market. Are you seeing, guys? Okay. So you mark the high and the low of Asia. Are you seeing? So after you have marked the high and the low of Asian market, you wait for the market to take the liquidity. As you can see here, the market came up and took the liquidity at the high of Asia. Now you could be looking for entries in this region. You could be looking for entries in this region, guys. I think now you are trading reversal. You are trading liquidity grab. Liquidity grab. It grabs liquidity at the high of Asia because here we have stop losses of retail traders in this region. Now, because you know traders have been trapped, the buyers have been trapped. Now you can be looking for entry sell. So the best way in which you can do, guys, is you make sure you set the 13 EMA on your chart. So you see, this is a 13 moving average on your chart. Are you saying? Is a 13 moving average on your chart. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna wait for the market to close below the 13 EMA. Are you seeing, guys? You wait for the market to close below the 13 EMA, then you sell it like this. Are you seeing? So this one you can target to make 1 to 3 or 1 to 2. Depends. Of course, the market will go 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Are you seeing, guys? So let's get the next day. So this is the next day again. Are you seeing? We mark the low of Asia and the high of Asia. Can you see? So here, here, the liquidity was not taken on this upside. Are you saying? The liquidity was not taken, but the liquidity was taken on the low side here. Are you saying? The liquidity was taken on the low side. See what happened? It creates kind of like a W pattern here when you confirm with the line chart. Are you saying? Then, because you know it is a trap, then you're going to be setting your buy trade here. Then you wait for the market to cross above the 13 EMA. Then stop loss you set with the low side. You can target 1 to 2. Are you seeing, guys? Are you seeing how it goes, guys? Then again you set at least another day again. You can see 3 consecutive winning trades in a row. You can have. Of course, you can have losses also. Let me show you again. Low of Asia, high of Asia. You see, liquidity was taken on upside. Boom, it was taken. Then it closed below the 13 EMA. So this one now you can enter sell here. Stop loss above this point. You can target 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. Okay, let's see. Maybe we can check today. Same thing here. See here. Breakout was taken. Breakout. Then here you can target 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. The market went well. Boom, it break. You wait for a confirmation candle entry, then you buy. Let's see. Let's see today or yesterday. See yesterday. Let me show you yesterday. So yesterday we had this. I was able to capture this big move on the market, guys. I was able to capture this move on the market. So where was the liquidity taken? If somebody could ask you, let me make it clear. You see, the liquidity was taken on the low side. At least if there's a week, maybe market it has dipped on the low of Asia, liquidity has been taken. Just know that. So we're gonna be waiting for entries. There's some people who entered here with this candle buy. There's some people who waited for the market candle to break above 13 so that they can wait for the entries. It's kind of the same. So stop loss is below here. Today, same thing. I'm repeating the same thing. Today, this is my entry. Today, liquidity was taken also. Low of Asia, high of Asia. So today I'm looking for buys because they have taken the low of Asia. Are you seeing, guys? So this is one of the easiest strategies you can trade, guys. And this one you can trade mostly on GBPUSD. Yeah, on GBPUSD and EURUSD. It works massively well, guys. It works really good on currencies. Yeah, this one you can't apply in gold. Yeah. This one works based on currencies. So this is how you do, guys. You can make this as a strategy. You repeat it on a daily basis, Monday to Friday. Of course, some days you're gonna be getting losses. Are you seeing, guys? Some days you're gonna be getting losses. So, so what you do? You just do the same thing over and over. You repeat the same thing. You repeat the same thing. Yeah, for those who are new, guys, for those who want to be on my trading group, make sure you comment on the chat box. Maybe I'm gonna be adding my my I'm gonna be adding there my TikTok account, or maybe my Instagram, so that you can inbox me, so that I can add you to the trading group, so that you can be getting these signals very early before it occurs. So guys, I think you have understood how liquidity grab works, and I'm gonna be showing you more and more, guys, about liquidity grab. So make sure you follow me, guys. Make sure you follow me, subscribe to my channel, guys, and you're gonna be getting more of this. So guys, bye bye, see you on the next video.